Thanks for calling Next Up Barber Studio. This is Eric speaking. How can I help you?
Hey, my name is Alan. I'd like to book just a traditional men's haircut.
Hello, Alan. I'd be happy to help you book a traditional men's haircut. Could you please let me know what date and time would work best for you?
Yeah, let's do I'm available tomorrow at 2 p.m. would work best.
Great, Alan. I'll book your traditional men's haircut for tomorrow at 2 p.m. in Google Calendar. Just to confirm, is tomorrow the date you'd like for your appointment?
Yes, tomorrow is the date I would like.
Perfect, Alan. I've successfully booked your traditional men's haircut for tomorrow at 2 p.m. in Google Calendar. Your appointment is confirmed, and we look forward to seeing you then. Have a wonderful day.
That simple AI receptionist took me 10 minutes to make, and it has changed my entire life, and it can change yours too. Here's how. Before we get started, I want to get right into exactly who this video is for. This video is for people who are ambitious, driven, and are ready to stop working for somebody else. You don't got to be a tech genius, but you do have to have the willpower to take action and get started on building something that is going to be bigger than yourself. This video is going to show you step by step exactly how I went from being a broke college student working a 9 to 5 to becoming my own boss, running my own agency, having financial freedom, and being able to work from literally anywhere. So if at any point in this video what I'm saying sounds interesting, you can go ahead and book a one-on-one discovery call with me in the link in the description. About 12 months ago, I was a broke college student working a 9 to 5 that I wanted to get out of, clocking in and clocking out, going to class all the time and wondering, is this really all that life has to offer? I felt super stuck because I knew I could do more, I just didn't know how. Literally every day I would see people making money online, traveling and building freedom while I was quite literally answering emails to help sustain somebody else living their dream life. And then I did something that I had never done before that completely changed the entire trajectory of my life. For the first time in my life, I stopped waiting for the perfect idea and I just started taking action. I tried a bunch of different business models, everything from brand scaling to UGC to day trading, and don't get me wrong, those all did make me money, but none of those are as life-changing as what I'm currently doing. I finally discovered how to sell the AI that I was using every single day. And not the sci-fi kind, but simple AI systems that can actually talk to customers, answer questions, book appointments, and do it all automatically without you having to touch a thing. And then I realized businesses are literally losing thousands of dollars a year just because nobody's answering the phone fast enough. That one realization changed my life forever. Now today, I'm my own boss, I can work from wherever I want, and I run my own agency. What we do is we help service-based businesses install conversational AI. These are systems that book clients, close leads, and handle sales 24/7. I get to work from anywhere, I build things that have actual value, and I've helped hundreds of others do the same. Turning simple AI into real income and real financial freedom. And it literally all started with one decision. I bet on myself. And right now we are living in the biggest shift since the creation of the internet. Businesses know they need AI, they just don't know where to start. And the people who are gonna help them integrate, aka you and me, are going to be the next wave of millionaires because of this. And the crazy part about all of this is most agencies are still trying to sell outdated Facebook ads and are competing with thousands of other people doing the exact same thing. But we're selling automation. It's something that every single business needs, but almost nobody knows how to deliver. And if you get in on it early enough, you can also capitalize off this before it's too late. So how does it really all work? Well, step one is you build and train the AI, which is super simple because all you have to do is essentially give it a good prompt. Step two is going to be signing your first client. The earlier you get into this space, the easier this step is going to be because almost nobody has this integrated into their business yet, but in a couple months, trust me, they will. Step three, once you actually have that first client, the AI will do all of the work by itself. It starts handling leads and booking appointments all automatically without you having to touch a thing. And that's when we get into step four. Scale and achieve financial freedom. Because if you have a bunch of these AI receptionists established in different businesses, you're getting recurring revenue every single month that is high ticket and you don't have to lift a finger. Now, how are you supposed to know what you're supposed to charge for this specific service? Well, I'm here to tell you. You're always going to start off with a setup fee. What this setup fee is a fee that covers the optimization, the building, and integration of this AI receptionist into their specific business. You can charge anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 for this depending on the size of the business and how much traffic they actually get per month. The second way you're gonna get paid from this business model is a retainer. This is a monthly payment your client will give you for for maintaining, optimizing, and keeping the AI receptionist alive and running. This is where the longevity of the business model comes in, because it will still pay you long after you build and optimize the AI that you've already sold. This means you're gonna make constant income while the business is still scaling. It's simple, it's ethical, and it works. And I'm gonna be real with you, if you wait and you don't take action, you are simply just gonna miss the window for this opportunity completely. AI is moving fast. Every single day that goes by, more and more businesses are locking in AI systems. And that window of opportunity for you to make a sale is closing day by day. You do not want to be the person that looks back on this opportunity and says, man, I could have gotten in early, but I didn't. And I promise you, the people who take action now are the ones that everyone else will work for later on. So if you're sick of working for someone else, if you feel stuck and limited and you know you are called for more, then this is your moment right now. I will walk you through exactly how to start your AI agency from scratch, how to get your first clients, and finally build the freedom that you've been chasing. The only difference between me back then and me now was me making the decision to make the first step. So take yours today, book that call with me in the description, and let's build your freedom together. So just keep in mind that this is the perfect time to get in, and every single day that you wait, the window for this opportunity is closing. Not out of my will, but the world is moving forward, and you are either gonna move with it or you're gonna get left behind. So I hope to see you guys schedule a discovery call, and I will see you guys in the next one.